Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into Simvoly's pricing plans to help you find the perfect fit for your needs in 2024. In 2024, Simvoly offers several pricing plans tailored to different needs. Let's go over each plan to help you decide which one is best for you. Simvoly offers a 14-day free trial that you can try by using the link in the description. First, there's the personal plan, which is perfect for individuals or small businesses looking to create a basic website. It starts at $12 a month and includes essential features like website building tools, hosting, and support. This plan is ideal if you're just starting and want to test the waters without a significant investment. Next up is the business plan, starting at $29 a month, which is designed for growing businesses that need more advanced features. It includes everything in the starter plan, plus additional tools like e-commerce functionality, email marketing, and priority support. If you're serious about taking your online presence to the next level and need more robust features, this plan is a great option. For larger businesses or those with more demanding needs, there's the growth plan, which is $59 a month. This plan includes all the features of the business plan, with additional benefits like priority access to new features, advanced analytics, and unlimited funnels and pages. If you're running a thriving online business and need access to premium features and support, the growth plan is worth considering. Finally, Simvoly offers a pro plan starting at $149 a month for enterprise-level clients with specific requirements. This plan includes features like 3 websites, unlimited funnels, unlimited domain connections, unlimited pages, A/B split test, booking and appointments, and many more. Ultimately, the best plan for you depends on your specific needs, budget, and goals. Consider factors like the size of your business, the features you require, and your long-term growth strategy when choosing a Simvoly pricing plan. You can always start with a lower-tier plan and upgrade as your business grows and your needs evolve. So, there you have it, an overview of Simvoly's pricing plans for 2024. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to try Simvoly for free and explore which plan works best for you.